How to make a restaurant menu website. Here's an example of a restaurant menu that I had created earlier. So you can see right here how it looks. And if they were to tap on the product, they'll get a zoomed image, as you can see right there. I'll be showing you how to do that. In fact, I created this restaurant website using Google Sites. So all you'll need to do is go onto googlesites.com, and I'm going to be deleting this page so that you can see how I do it from scratch. So after I've deleted the page, all you'll need to do is open a new tab, and you're going to go onto elfsite.com. On elfsite.com, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to hover over widgets. After hovering over widgets, you're going to scroll down. So you're going to scroll down until you see restaurant menu. You're going to tap on restaurant menu. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. From here, you can choose from any one of these templates. So you can see the different templates or designs that you can choose from right here. So you can scroll down until you see a template of your liking. For this example, I will be using this one. Then we'll tap on continue with this template. After selecting continue with this template, you can either choose to edit the current images that are there by simply tapping on the three dots, then tap on edit. Then from there, you could change the name from pizza to something else. You could also change the icon by tapping on icon right here. You could upload an icon from your computer, or you could choose one of their pre-made icons. You can also scroll down and you can edit the items that are below that menu. So you could tap right here and you could edit each one, or you can choose to create your own menu overall. Now to do that, all we'll need to do will tap on add menu. Then from there you could add the menu name, and you can tap on add items right here, and you'll be able to add your items. After you have finished doing that, you can change each section. Then you are going to tap on add to website for free. After you have tapped on add to website for free, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, all you'll need to do now, you're going to simply tap on save in the top right hand corner. So you can see right here, you can also choose the language that you would like it to be displayed in. Then you're going to tap on view plans in the top right hand corner. Then we're going to tap on current plan, or you can select the free plan right here. So we want to select the free plan. After you're finished, you're going to tap on the X to close out. Then once you have done that, you're going to tap on close once more. Then you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on install. After you have tapped on install, you're going to tap on copy code. Then you're going to go into Google Sites, and I want you to go over to the right hand menu option, and you're going to select the plus. Then you're going to tap on full page embed. After you have selected full page embed, from here you can add the page title. So we're going to name it menu. Then tap on done. Then you're going to tap on add embed. Select embed code, and you're going to paste in the HTML code right there. Then tap on next. Then select insert. After you have done that, you can now see that your restaurant menu has been added, as you can see right there. Now, if you would like to change the menu page to be the home page, you can do that by tapping on pages. After you have tapped on pages, you could tap on the three dots in line with the page name, then tap on set as home page. So you can see it is our main page right there. Then all you'll need to do now is tap on publish in the top right hand corner for your website to go live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.